know my heart goes crazy when your tender lips touch mine.
Hello and welcome! In this video I'm sharing 2 cute Valentine's Day DIYs. So stay with me and keep on watching. First DIY is a love jar. On a red paper I trace around the lid. Then cut it out with indent from the marked line. Make small cuts all the way around from the outer edge to the traced circle. Color a whole circle with some white glue. Using a small paintbrush, I spread the glue evenly. Then I place the lid into the traced circle. Glue the outer edge to the sides of the lid, overlapping the pieces. As my lid has uneven surface, I carefully pop up a few pieces and gently push out air bubbles. Next, I use shimmery washi tape to decorate the side of the lid. Now we need to cut out 2 hearts. I fold in half small piece of paper and cut half of the heart. And then unfold it. Then repeat same for the second, but making this one slightly smaller. If you don't like folding lines showing up, use a stencil or cut it out freehand. Place hearts one on top of the other and punch the hole. Pull the ribbon through the holes. Measure the length. Cut it off. And tie the ribbon around the jar. Now let's prepare the filling. Take a small square of paper, fold it in half, then fold it in half again, and one more time fold it in half. So 3 times fold it in half. Holding to the inner corner, cut something like a half circle around the edge. And unfold it. It should look like a flower. Now push to the middle opposite sides and flatten back in front of the fold. I hope that makes sense. Now it should be a folded heart. I made my hearts different sizes and 3 colors. This way I think it looks way more interesting. It's time to personalize the gift. On the heart tags I wrote beginning of the sentence. So I love you and 3 dots. And then inside of each heart, the ending of the sentence. And place hearts inside the jar. Second DIY is a pop-up card. First of all, I draw a heart using a stencil. And cut it out. On plain white paper, lightly draw a middle line using pencil. It will be a guideline and later fold line. Cover whole heart with glue. I have folded my stencil to see where should go folding line on my heart, and glue the heart to the paper according to the guideline. On the heart, very lightly using pencil, I make tiny marks. At first I mark where will be the middle line, and then go to both sides of it so it could be more symmetrical. Using a ruler I can do precise marking. On cutting board or cutting mat using paper knife, I cut lines inside the heart. I use my ruler straight corner to make straight perpendicular lines to the edge of the card. I had to press it down very well so it wouldn't move while I cut the paper, which also may not be easy if you're using thicker paper. Now I can erase all markings I made before. Fold the paper in half and bend only sides. Now comes a bit tricky part. Carefully pull up and bend on the sides every other piece inside the heart. When done with pulling off the pieces, close the card and push down all the bends. May happen that in some places from all the cutting and bending, paper will pop off. Just glue it back. When that's done, take a pretty paper for the card's cover. It can be the same size or, like mine, a little bit bigger. Fold it in half. Place the card inside and glue it to the cover. For me it was easier to glue one side at a time. And the card is done. Inside it has this 3D heart and plenty of space to write all your feelings for your loved one. I hope you like these cute and sweet DIYs. And remember, it don't have to be a Valentine's Day to make small gifts for people you love.
Let's explore our love.
Show me your love and support in the comment section, and also by liking this video and subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye!